In a world that celebrates hustle culture, the idea of making more money by working less almost sounds like a scam. But here's the truth. Wealth isn't always tied to how many hours you work, it's tied to leverage, strategy, and smart systems. Let's break this myth. 1. Stop trading time for money. The first step in working less and earning more is this. Stop tying your income solely to your hours. If you're paid hourly, your earning potential is capped. Even if you worked 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, there's still a limit. But what if you could break that cap? Enter leverage. There are 3 kinds of leverage that rich people use: money, media, and code. They build systems, content, or products that can scale infinitely without them having to be present every single hour. If you want to earn more while doing less, you have to stop selling hours and start selling results, assets, or access. 2. Use systems to multiply your output. Imagine doing the work once and getting paid forever. That's what authors, YouTubers, app creators, and course makers do. They create once and sell repeatedly. The magic word here is automation. With tools and technology, you can automate repetitive tasks, customer service, scheduling, invoicing, content posting, and more. Even freelancers today use AI tools to cut down editing time, draft emails, or brainstorm faster. Think of your work like a factory. The more you automate, the more time you free up, and the more you can scale. 3. Specialize and raise your value. You don't have to do more things. You just need to do one thing very well. The market doesn't reward effort, it rewards value. If you're a generalist doing average work, you'll be easily replaceable. But if you're a specialist solving high-value problems, clients will pay you more, and need you less frequently. This is how consultants earn thousands for a few hours of work. They've built expertise and positioned themselves as problem solvers, not laborers. Focus less on working harder. Focus more on becoming so good, people can't ignore you, and will happily pay a premium for your time. 4. Create multiple streams of income. Working less doesn't mean earning less, especially if your money is working for you. Once your income comes from multiple sources, investments, royalties, business profits, affiliate income, or digital products, you're not relying on just one job to survive. Each new stream adds to your wealth without adding to your hours. Start small: a simple ebook, a YouTube channel, a side hustle, a dividend-paying stock. Don't underestimate the power of compounding income sources. It's how people eventually replace their 9-to-5 without sacrificing lifestyle. 5. Say no to the wrong work. The more you say yes to low-paying, energy-draining tasks, the less time you have for high-value work. Working less and earning more means being selective. Choose projects that pay well, offer long-term potential, or teach you new skills. Delegate the rest or eliminate them altogether. Time is your most valuable asset. Protect it like money. 6. Use the 80-20 rule to focus on what matters. The Pareto principle, 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts, is not just theory, it's a cheat code. Identify which tasks generate the most income, which clients bring the most value, and which products sell the most. Then double down on those. You don't need more hours. You need more focus. Working 10 hours a day on the wrong tasks won't move the needle. But working 2 hours on the right thing can change your income forever. 7. Invest in tools, not just time. Smart people buy back their time. Instead of spending 3 hours on something a $20 tool can do, buy the tool. If a virtual assistant can handle your admin for $10 per hour, hire one. These moves free up your schedule to work on your highest value activities, or to simply rest. Buying time isn't a luxury. It's a strategy. When you remove yourself from low-level tasks, you get to focus on creativity, big-picture thinking, and money-making decisions. 8. Build assets, not just income. Income pays bills. Assets build wealth. If you're constantly working for money, you'll always be stuck in the rat race. But if you start building things that make money while you sleep, like rental properties, digital courses, apps, websites, or stock portfolios, you buy back your future. Assets allow you to step away from work without your income disappearing. It's the difference between being rich for a month and being wealthy for a lifetime. Conclusion: work less, earn smarter. Here's the real secret: it's not about being lazy. It's about being strategic. The world doesn't reward the busiest. It rewards those who use their time wisely. So instead of asking, how can I work more hours, ask this: how can I earn more from each hour? When you shift your mindset from working harder to working smarter, you unlock the blueprint to true wealth, freedom, time, and choice. If this helped shift your mindset, hit the like button, and subscribe for more real-world money lessons. Share this with someone who's working too hard for too little, and let's help them build smarter wealth.